rajkumar.nallusamy.com. In this video tutorial, we will be discussing most asked questions, how to get the missing content libraries in Revit. When you're trying to load a Revit families in Revit or trying to open the families, in your family locations, you may not be able to see these folders. If you're not able to see these folders or inside that, if any blank folders, you're missing the libraries. In that case, you have different options that how do we do it. If your friends having the laptop, they have the libraries, you'll be able to go to their systems, program data. Sometimes the file may be in hidden mode, so you can type directly program data, Autodesk, Revit files. So I have the different versions in Revit. So you can go to the exact version that you needed, RVT 2020, and you'll be able to see the different files like family template, libraries, IEC files, lookup files, and templates. You can copy all these files and paste it into your folder in the same place. This is one way. The other option is that solution. Go to the program files, and in that you'll be able to search content library. Revit will have a different versions of content library options. So as I said, I have 2016 to 2020, and even I have 21, 22, 23. So in recent version 23, they are not have by default these options. So when you have the below versions like 22, you will be able to select that version, use the uninstall and change option, select yes. In this window, you'll have option to add or remove features. Under this, you'll be able to tick which country standard you need to install. Of course, if this one requires a data, you have to connect it to the internet and you will be able to download side by side. As you know that the content libraries, while installing the software, if you have internet connection, by default it will be downloaded. If not, you have to follow these solutions. The third solution will be you have to go to the Autodesk website, or you can simply Google it by saying 2022 libraries you need in Autodesk content libraries. This will give you the download link directly, and you will be able to download what countries or what libraries you needed. This is going to be an exe file. You can download them with their size, and you will be able to install them one by one by double clicking the space. So this is about that content library missing. You will be able to sort it out yourself. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.